Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the campaign numbers and physical specs so you can buy and produce efficiently. First, decide your target CPM and run length. This determines quantity and exposure. Next, measure every window and note orientation. Make a simple spreadsheet. Finally, export vector artwork at 300 dpi in CMYK with cut lines on a separate layer so printers know where to trim. Once done, you're ready to request quotes. Now you move into procurement and production coordination to control quality and cost. Send the artwork and measurements to 3 vetted printers and ask for itemized quotes including proof charges and installation. Specify material based on visibility and removal needs. Perforated 50/50 for daytime visibility, removable films for rentals. Approve a digital mock-up and require a physical sample for larger orders. This avoids surprises. Make sure turnaround and shipping align with your campaign start date. Finish by executing a clean install and monitoring performance against your CPM goals so you can iterate. Hire a pro installer for large or high windows. For small installs, train staff on squeegee technique and alignment guides. After install, measure impressions and compare to expected CPM. If underperforming, shift priority windows or extend duration. If problems occur, address bubbling with heat and firm squeegeeing. Correct alignment by careful edge lifting and reapply, or order a reprint when adhesive failure occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.